Hey dolls and gents, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, I am the one and only Miss NJB. How are you? I am blessed. I cannot complain. Welcome back to all my new and OG cuties, and welcome back to our fall story. So in today's video, we are going to be tackling the living room. So let's jump right into this video. So starting off, we want our space to be spotless before we start to add our fall decor. So I'm just going to remove the covers off of the pillows, drop those in the washer, and while that's washing, I am going to vacuum out all of the sofas. It was crumbs everywhere. I am really relieved that the kids went back to school because I have like some quiet time to really deep clean everything without them running around and messing it back up. So yeah, I'm just gonna vacuum out all the sofas, wash all the covers. Once everything is nice and clean, I am going to play around with the furniture just a little bit. I believe I moved it around maybe 3 or 4 times, but I found the perfect fit. I also moved around the tables. I wanted to put my tiny Japanese style table here because I just think it is so cute and it's a perfect fit, but it was a bit wide for the area. I thought it was cute. Hubby didn't like it, so I decided to put this table upstairs, and you guys will see that room when I decorate the family room up there. And I also added different wall art down here. So it took a while for all the pillow covers to dry, so this is the next day and everything is pretty much clean. I just need to clean off the fireplace over here, wipe down the tables and vacuum, and then we can start adding our small pieces. So I only decided to add one piece of art on the wall over here. I love how much negative space is around it. It's a pretty big piece and I just think it's so gorgeous. I actually picked this up years ago. I received a gift card for my birthday and it was for at home, and it was my first time visiting the store years ago, and I noticed this piece. I fell in love with it. They had a lot of wall art that was just beautiful, but this one really stood out to me. I love how warm it is. It's perfect for the fall season, and I believe back then I only paid $100 for it. So yeah, if you're looking to add some more art to your home, you may want to try to stop by at home, because this piece is gorgeous. It goes perfect with winter, fall, spring. I truly love it, and I just feel like it fits perfect here. Another favorite piece of mine is my plant stand. I collaborated with this brand called Riz Shop Plant Store, and they have the most gorgeous plant stands ever. I love the fact that it's tall. I'm a tiny person. I'm 5 foot nothing, and I love the fact that it has so many tiers that I can put plants on or just anything that I want to decorate with. I am going for a mid-century modern look. Y'all know that's my style, that's my vibe, and I am just placing some antique items here. I believe the little black piece at the bottom, that's fairly new, but everything else has been in the family since forever. The piece you see at the top, that was my husband's great grandmother's, and we actually picked that up from the home that we are remodeling now. So yeah, you have so many tiers that you can just put anything on, and I love it, especially during springtime. I had the most beautiful flowers on here. So if you are looking for a plant stand, I'm definitely going to link the brand and the company down in the description box, so be sure to check that out to grab your plant stand now. story, and I want to add as many open books around the house as possible. I think it's truly amazing just to find something educational or a cute short story that just goes with the fall vibe. I think it's a hit and I absolutely love it. Let me know what your fall theme is this year while you're decorating your home. I want to put as many books and as many candles out as possible. I'm still searching for my books, you guys. I've been in the storage, in the garage, in the closets. I'm still searching for my books, but just know it's going to be a ton of books throughout the house, and you guys will see that really, really soon. Sofa decor, something's missing. I needed to add more, so stay tuned to the end so you can see the final look. So as the sun is setting, I am almost finished cooking dinner, and I am very satisfied with our fall story living room edition. Hubby is outside watching the kids play, and I am truly grateful and blessed for everything that I do have, including you guys. I want to thank you babes so much for tuning in. I am definitely going to see you babes in the next one. This is my time when everybody is full fed and ready for bed, where I just come out here and unwind to take everything in. I'm definitely going to see you babes in the next one. Let me know your fall theme. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you babes later.